Hello guys.
Hello. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to the Jam Family. Hello everybody guys. Daddy right now is actually cooking. We are getting ready for New Year. We hope everybody are excited. Can you imagine it's almost 2026 tomorrow. We wish everybody would have a blessed and a wonderful success New Year, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, this video this is going to be about. I was telling to my kids about when I was younger. I think I was 7 to 8 years old. I used to sell Makopa. Guys, so I thought, we bought some fruit today in a fruit stand, and because we were preparing for our fruit ball, and we did soda Makopa, guys. I want to show you guys over here, and I want my kids to taste the Makopa because, guys, this is a part of my story when I was younger, and I had to walk like 30 to an hour just to sell them. So we'll be able to eat and have a good dinner. Right, Adam?
Yeah.
So I want them to appreciate life. I want them to see, I want them to share my memories I have when I was only 7 to 8 years old. Yeah, I used to tell them, this is the Makopa. Adam, you want to show them the Makopa and what it looks like? They shape like a heart, guys. Yeah, that's yeah, Clara, do you wanna? I want you guys to try it and show them. Come on.
Together.
1, 2, 3, go!
It's like an apple.
Did it taste like an apple?
Like
It's
an
like
apple.
It's like an apple.
Can you smell it? What did it smell?
Crunchy like an apple.
You think? Oh yeah, you know,
I
right?
never had one. Is it good?
Yeah, Daddy, can you try it, please? I want Daddy to try it. Guys, what?
Like that.
Yes, that's the seed. Yeah, and it's really healthy for you. It's good for the body. Yeah? Yeah, so this is the Makopa, guys. You don't like? Yeah, she's not used to that, guys. But I want to show you guys. This is the Makopa, and it's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Pero matanggal yung ipon natin dito. Baka matanggal yung ipon natin. Sino ba may denture, guys? Joke. Yan, say smile to the camera.
Smile.
Yeah, guys, so this is a really yummy, guys, and it's really good for the body, guys. I don't know, it's rare now. It's rare people to sell them nowadays. I had a feeling someone was growing this, so when I saw it, we bought it, right, Adam?
Yeah.
And I told Adam I want to share with you and your sister. And now I want Daddy to try it. Daddy, very memorable fruit
Okay.
for me.
Honey.
So amazing. This is called a Makopa. Daddy. Yeah.
That's a rock.
What did it taste like?
A sweet apple.
It tastes like an
Like a
apple.
fruit.
It's
That's
fun.
very good. Crunchy,
Apple.
savory.
Is that your first time?
Yeah, my first time.
Apple.
Mm.
Apple.
Yes, guys. Mwah. We love you, everyone.
We love you, everyone.
Holiday.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.